Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Berteloot from Nytro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Friday, May 9th, 2025. Here is what we are covering. Apple is considering a shift in its Safari web browser to focus on AI-powered search engines, potentially ending its partnership with Google. This revelation came during testimony by Apple's Senior Vice President of Services, Eddie Q, in the U.S. Justice Department's lawsuit against Alphabet, Google's parent company. The case involves a $20 billion agreement that makes Google the default search engine on Apple devices. Q noted a decline in Safari searches, attributing it to the growing use of AI. He suggested that AI search providers like OpenAI and Perplexity AI could eventually replace standard engines like Google. The partnership's dissolution would mark a significant change for Apple, a move reflective of the increasing traction of AI technology among consumers. Speaking of AI's impact, in a groundbreaking courtroom event, AI technology allowed murder victim Christopher Pelkey to address his killer during sentencing. Pelkey, who was killed in a road rage incident in Chandler, Arizona, was brought back in an AI-generated video created by his sister, Stacey Wales. Exhibiting a surprisingly upbeat demeanor, the video marked a poignant moment, reportedly the first of its kind, as AI resurrected the deceased for a victim impact statement. Pelkey, a U.S. Army veteran and active church member, expressed gratitude towards those who supported him. Judge Todd Lang appreciated the innovative approach, acknowledging its emotional impact. The killer, Gabriel Paul Horcasitas, received a decade-long manslaughter sentence, underscoring the personal and legal significance of incorporating AI in judicial proceedings. From the courtroom to the Vatican. Chicago-born Cardinal Robert Francis Provost has been elected as Pope Leo XIV, sparking an online meme frenzy. Social media users have humorously linked the new pope to Chicago stereotypes, including deep dish pizza and mallard. In Reddit's r/Chicago thread, memes depict communion wafers as deep dish pizza, while X humorously suggests mallard replaces holy wine. AI-generated images of the Pope in Chicago Bears attire circulate widely. TikTok users also join the fun with skits about his supposed culinary preferences. The internet's creative response reflects a blend of humor and regional pride, making Pope Leo XIV a unique cultural figure in his early reign. Meanwhile, in tech innovation, Meta is reportedly advancing its AI glasses prototype, codenamed Aperol and Bellini, to include facial recognition technology, as revealed by The Information. Previously shelved due to ethical considerations, this feature is back under a more business-amenable Federal Trade Commission, emboldening Meta to rethink its stance. This addition aligns with a broader trend where big tech firms prioritize surveillance capabilities, potentially at the expense of user privacy. The glasses, part of Meta's Super Sensing AI initiative, will enable continuous data recording to enhance user experiences and gather granular data. Despite the potential privacy infringements, the glasses will feature an opt-in function and possibly an indicator for active use, highlighting the growing tension between technological advancement and individual privacy rights. Over in the developer world, OpenAI announced the integration of its ChatGPT Deep Research feature with GitHub, aimed at enhancing coding inquiries. This initial connector allows users to explore codebases, summarize structures, and dissect technical documentation. Available on ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team, with enterprise updates expected, this move aligns with broader industry trends of linking AI tools to diverse platforms. The feature addresses developer needs for internal and external code examination while mitigating risks of AI inaccuracies. OpenAI emphasizes respecting existing access permissions for GitHub content.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.